I'm about to make St. Joseph's Day cream puffs. The filling consists of 15 ounces container ricotta cheese, half a cup of confectionery sugar, and a half a cup of chopped chocolate chips, and a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm putting the ricotta cheese in a bowl. I gotta beat it until it's light and fluffy. Mixing up the ricotta cheese. That's about right. Now we're going to be adding the confectionery sugar. Chocolate chip mix. And the cinnamon. I'm going to scoop this out into a smaller bowl so I can put it into the refrigerator. Right now we're about to make the pastry dough for St. Joseph's cream puffs. The ingredients are 1 cup of water. I usually use filtered water for this. 6 tablespoons of butter cut into small pieces, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, and a cup of flour that I have mixed together, 4 large eggs. Now we're going to have to combine the water and the butter on medium heat in a saucepan until it's all blended together. Then we're going to be removing the saucepan from the heat, and then we're going to be adding the flour, then the eggs, and mix it all together. We've brought our water and butter to a boil. Now we're going to add the flour to the water. And vigorously stir it till it comes off the sides of the pan. Now we'll be adding 1 egg at a time and stirring it into the mix. Second egg going in. Third egg going in. the final egg going in. Putting the pastry dough onto a cookie sheet with parchment paper, putting drops I'm using a tablespoonful of dough, putting it onto a cookie sheet. Now we have it all on our cookie sheet. Now we're going to be putting in a 400-degree preheated oven for 20 minutes at first at 400 degrees. Then we're going to lower the temperature to 350 for another half hour. This is what they look like when they're done, nice and brown. And while it was sitting here, I took a skew and poked it in each one to let out the heat so the inside dries good. Now here is the filling that we made a while ago and we refrigerated it. Now we got to take our cool cream puffs and slice them in half and get ready to put a teaspoon or more of filling inside. Like so. Put our little cap back on and put it down. Get some more filling. Maybe put a little bit more in this one compared to the first one. Trial and error on how much to put in. Put cap back on, and then we got that one. Now that we got our plate all filled up, we're going to sprinkle a little bit of confectionery sugar on the top. Here is our stack of St. Joseph's cream puffs. We made a total of 22 cream puffs today. Had one for taste, and it tastes delicious. Tastes like a cannoli. Tastes like a cannoli cream puff.